Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You guys can see we're already advancing the video, but don't worry, I'm gonna catch you guys up. But before I say anything, let's go ahead and cover some little small things. First off, I want to address the most important thing right now, bro. Thank you guys so much. We just crossed 18,000 bookers of you guys that just subscribed to the channel, so thank you guys so much, bro. 20,000, I'm gonna do a give. I'm gonna freaking work hard so I can give you guys a bigger giveaway, man. 20,000, I'm gonna try my best to give you guys a bigger giveaway. So if you guys can just smash that like button, bro, just go ahead and smash it for 18,000. That's it. No one asked for likes. This is the only time, bro. 18,000 subscriber special. Smash that like button for me. And another thing that I have to address, because it's part of my life and my life affects your life. Nah, it doesn't affect your life, but it does affect the channel, and I want to tell you guys. Exteriorly, we're pretty set. I like the way the car looks. Like I said, I want to get the kinetics manifold, the kinetics velocity manifold, just because I do plan on boosting the car. We can go ahead and send that sponsorship letter to Vortex, see if we get anything, I'm gonna be transparent with you guys, see if we get anything, because I know how expensive things can be when going boost. Your motor can break, you need a new motor, the supercharger itself is like 5K plus supporting mods another 2K plus tune. Like, dude, yeah, I'm gonna be broke. Let's be honest, I'm gonna be broke after that, and it's not even gonna go that fast, you know. Like, this is the dumbest decision ever, but I have to go because I want to finish this build. I have set aside a good portion of my savings account and poured it into investing. I've been investing aggressively, very aggressively, I would say, for the past week or week and a half, and I must say it has been going pretty good. I've almost doubled my money. I'm halfway there to doubling my money, which is really good. Okay, so now that I got that stuff out of the way, I do want to say today we are going to be switching the brake pads here, because, well, these Akebono brakes are now squeaking, man. They're mad squeaking, and, well, we can't have it squeaking, so we're gonna go ahead and switch the brake pads, which we have over here. Okay, there you go. Straight off the bat, we already have the wrong freaking brake pads, bro. These aren't even the damn right brake pads, bro. Are you serious, bro? Look at this. These are the freaking... They look normal, bro. These need to have that little hole so the damn pin can go through them, bro. Are you serious, bro? Today's a very special day right now, because yesterday it started raining, and Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays, I'm not exaggerating, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, it's all going to freaking rain, bro. Today's the only sunny day. We have to switch these brake pads. We have to freaking go take pictures, because I need to take some damn pictures. Today's the only sunny day to do it, and I don't want it to come sundown and me still not finished with these damn brakes and I get the wrong fucking... Alright guys, so before every install video, I always do it once, and then when I do another one, so if I'm installing tires, I'll install one tire first, and then I'll show you guys the second one, because I already know how to do it. So I just got done with the first one. I didn't show you guys because I wanted to get familiar with it. These are by far the most easy brakes you can ever swap out, bro. These brake pads, you don't even have to flop anything, take any bolts out. Literally, if you guys can see, let me bring you guys a flashlight. Literally, guys, if you guys can see, there's a pin. I just switched it out, new hardware. That pin that goes across, you literally push it from this side right here, you push it from here, it comes out through the other side. But before you push that pin, there's some cotter pins right there. There's a one right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a cotter pin sticking out right there. That's to make sure the pins get stuck there, right? For safety. You take out the pins with some pliers, really easy. You push out the pin, take out the pin, and then this freaking clip in the middle, it literally just pops off once you remove the pin. And then you could take out the brake pads, and oh my god, it's so easy. Not that brake pads should be the hardest job in the world or anything, but I just didn't expect them to be this easy. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys with the second one. Alright guys, I think I just jinxed myself, yo. You know how the cotter pin's supposed to look like, man? Look, let me give you a prime example right there. You see how they look like? Pristine, just straight. Man, someone decided to make curly freaking pins right here, man. They curled these when they twisted them. They try to braid the damn Cotter pen, bro. Why you do all that, man? Are you not happy with life? Like, what's wrong with you? Cleaner, but we do need to switch the color. But honestly, bro, I'm kind of liking the yellow, bro. The yellow looks good. But holy crap, are they beat up? These definitely do have to get repainted. But yeah, man, might have to send them out. They're like 200 bucks to get them powder coated, so that's not bad, bro. Who the hell invented brake cleaner, bro? I think it's magic. Every morning, every cold start, it sounds so horrible, and when I decelerate, it sounds broken, you know. So I've been hitting this, and you can see when I hit it, it vibrates from there, from that joint right there that you're looking at. It's hitting the black frame. So we're gonna go see if we can drill a hole inside that black frame right here, and then we have like a brace that's gonna hold the exhaust down toward this frame. You guys can see no vibration whatsoever. This should be so sick now. So let's go ahead, hear this bad boy. I'm gonna tell you guys if I can hear the rattle, because not only can you hear it, you can also feel it here. You know, this is where the transmission goes. You can feel it vibrate. Hopefully you guys can hear. Oh, the brakes. I forgot I switched the brakes. I was like, holy shit, the brakes went all the way down. But I think I'm gonna need to pump it a couple times. Oh, I still need the freaking brake fluid cap. Oh my god. I'm pressing the brake now. Now it's hard, baby. Yeah. Okay, first thoughts. 100% less quieter. 100% less quieter. But I don't know if we have to tighten it a little bit more, because you know when you bounce a basketball and it does big bounces, and then once it stops bouncing, it goes like, that's what it feels like right now. It's gone now, but it just felt like hella fast. But before it used to freaking actually hit like bah, 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 bah. But now it's like very small. So maybe we need to tighten it up just a little bit so that it stays still. But look, within that time of talking, it's gone. All right guys, I just got done washing it. This is probably the freaking cleanest you're ever gonna see it. Dude, it even looks more cool. You see when I wash it, it looks... I even washed the wheels today this time too. They even look white from how good I washed them. Oh, what the... I gotta clean that. Alright guys, so here's the end of the video, but look at that beauty. Let me show you guys. Oh, why you running away? No! Why you running away? You're beautiful too, shawty. Okay, alright. Man. Shawty 2.0 right here. Damn, looking clean. Woo. That's what I'm talking about. This is a very nice neighborhood right here. That's why the G looks good. It's the neighborhood. It's not actually the car, but damn. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Those brake pads were actually pretty easy to replace, so thank God for that. But besides that, that's the end of the video. Like I said, I'm praying to God for this week. It should be a very, very good week. And hopefully I can get some new parts in, man. Hopefully. Because everything from now on is super pricey. Super pricey. So we're going to have to accumulate that cash. So without further ado, I'll catch you guys next video. Be safe out there. You already know. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.